Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, my mom is gonna prepare chicken leg piece fry. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt as required. Ten drops of lemon juice, now mix it well. Add a little water to get a paste consistency. Add the chicken legs into the masala and coat the masala nicely on the chicken. Now add 3/4 tablespoon of soya sauce and mix well. Let it set for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, fry the chicken. Now the chicken is deeply fried. Remove and place it in a serving plate. For garnishing, Take some curry leaves and fry in the same oil. Garnish the chicken with the curry leaves. It's ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.